guys, I hope you're doing great today. Well, this is our third tutorial in which we are going to disable the root login access on our Linux VM. We all know that root is the super user. Root can do anything on a Linux VM. You can delete, remove anything if you are logged in via the root user. Therefore, all Linux VMs and all Linux operating systems come with a default user known as root user. So we can say that root is the super user. And it is one of the recommended security practices that we should disable root access to prevent unauthorized access to our Linux-based servers by other users. In the last companies that I worked for, the root access was not shared to all the employees in that organization. What does this mean? That all the employees or all the users should not have root access to any server or VM in that organization, except we used to create user for those employees. And therefore, the default access to the root user was disabled on all those VMs and servers. Nobody was able to log in to any VM, whether it was a dev environment or QA or staging or prod. None of the developers or software engineers have root access to specific VMs. If they need access to those VMs, we create specific users for them. That is the normal practice which is observed in any company or IT firm. So most of the time, an additional user www data is available to handle most of the stuff related to deployment or installations. That additional user is mostly used to execute the required tasks by the developers and software engineers. So therefore, as DevOps engineer, you must know how we can disable root access to a Linux VM. And it is really simple. So let's do that on our Linux VM. Alright guys, now let's log into our VM with root user to check whether we can log into it. With the root user and password, I will open PuTTY. And this is my server. I will try to log in via the root user. Root with password. You can see that I am able to log in, and now we need to disable root login on our VM so that no one can log in with the root user. Whether they are using correct password or correct keys, they should not have the access to log in via the root user. They should log in via their own respective user. So etc SSH, it's the same file sshd_config where we change our port. You can see that I am logged via the 5022 port. It's the same port we changed in our last lecture. Now I will edit this, ls-l. You can see it is sshd_config file. I will edit it and Control W to search for the specific words. Control W, and I will search for permit. Now you can see the permit root login is yes. It means that root is allowed. Root is directly allowed to log in on this VM, which is not recommended at all from the security point of view, and we should disable it. So simple, we need to change this setting to no from yes. Permit root login, it is yes, and we will change it to no, and we will save the changes. Service SSH restart, and now we will try again login via the root user with the same password, root, and it should deny our access. and password. Great. You can see that now our access is denied and we are not able to log in via the root user. And if I want to try with my own respective user, which is devopsmolvi, you can see that I am able to log in via this user. And I am able to log in via SSH keys or password for devopsmolvi. And I will use the password here. You can see I am able to log in via the devopsmolvi user. Let's repeat it with SSH keys, and I should be able, new session, dev VM. If I want to log in via SSH keys, devopsmolvi, and I am able to log in. Now I will use the sudo command to be a root user. Sudo -i, and I will give the password of devopsmolvi, and now I'm in root again. But if I run who, you can see that my user is devopsmolvi. I am logged in via the devopsmolvi user, but now I have all the privileges which root user has, because now I am in the root user. But by default I was able to log in via the devopsmolvi user. So the sudo privileges are not given to all the users as well. There are only certain users, like the users who are managing the servers, like administrator or DevOps engineers or site reliability engineers. Those employees or users have the full root access and they can manage sudo access as well. So now you can see that our root access is disabled and nobody will be able to log in via the root user. Just to make sure that we can enable this setting, let's enable again, and Control W, permit, and I will change this value from no to yes again and save the settings. All right, now restart SSH and try to log in again. Root and password. You can see now I am able to log in via root user, and it is root. Now I will run who command again, and it is saying that, man, you are directly logged in via the root user, which is not a good practice at all. We should disable this root login access for all the VMs, whether they are dev, QA, and prod. Those are the most sensitive VMs, and nobody has any access to those users except the DevOps engineers or SREs. So we will disable again, and now permit, Control W, permit. I will disable to no, yes, and service SSH restart. I will give a final try, root and password. You can see that our access is denied. So that's how we enable and disable root login on any Ubuntu VM. It's the same practice on other Linux distributions like Cloud Linux, Debian, etc. And from security point of view, we must disable the root access on the VMs on Linux servers. So that was a short tutorial and it was simple, but I hope that you remember this setting and will do it in your job. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. I will see you in the next video.